Many of us with pickup trucks realize that we can haul things that are a lot longer than the bed. Now, what if I told you there was a tool that could provide both a flag and a way of securing it? Well, here we go. The first step to securing your longer than your pickup bed item is to make sure that the front of the load is well secured. The manufacturer wants us to ensure that we've got more than one thing maintaining our load. That's why this step is so important. And do not take it lightly. Make sure this is very, very secure. Okay, that's going nowhere. Now let's get the back of this centered up on the tailgate. And let's get this out of the package. This tie-down pad is a really unique product because it solves two problems at the same time. It gives us a way to entrap the load from falling off the back of the truck, and it gives us the red flag on the end that keeps us legal in most states. Do check with your own local laws to make sure that this is acceptable, but I can tell you where I am, it is, and it works super, super well. So the first thing, when you use this for the first time on a given load, you're just going to, I attach the top straps first. These are cam buckle straps, which are great for their simplicity and the fact that they hold really well. They did match the buckles and the straps very well on this product. So I get the top ones roughly where I want them. I'm going high up on the truck bed, and then on this lower one, I'm going to go down as low as I can on the inner cleat on the inside of the bed. So once I start just kind of snugging this up and working the straps back and forth, I'm just gradually building tension on this guy. Now the red part is a heavy duty vinyl, so it's got some stretch and it's got some give. But it's going to really hold the back of that load really well. And this could be lumber, it could be a kayak, it could be anything longer than the bed of your truck. This is a 13.5-foot kayak on a 6.5-foot bed. And it did an amazingly good job at securing this load. Do make sure you do secure the front though, because that's important. So this tie-down pad from Flag Secured is a great option. And this thing did not move one iota driving up a crazy mountain road to drop my kayak off for storage at my local lake. And it got there safe and sound, and it was just a joy to use. A great solution and way cheaper than a trailer.